Hello, my name is Nicholas.
And my name is Gabriel.
And we are going to make a
sandwich with an egg in the center.
The ingredients are
2 eggs,
some tomato,
some lettuce,
a slice of ham York,
a slice of cheese,
bread,
and mayonnaise with a cake.
First step, we make a hole in the bread.
Perfect.
Mira.
Torta. Perfect.
¿Cómo sale?
Second step, we fry the bread.
Third step, we put the egg in the center. Que se está quemando el plato.
Fourth step, we put the ingredients in the sandwich or in the bread.
The pizzas.
No.
Free.
The sandwich are healthy and